Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Stronghold SHX. It is all coming together. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, you can also check out the official Crypto Growth partners for the exchange. We've got MEXC. You can follow the link in the description box below for rebates, discounts, offers, lowest fees. So do check it out. Anyways, as far as the wallet is concerned, you can check out Decent. They've got their products, the biometric wallet, which has got an attractive $50 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got a phenomenal $129 off only if you follow the link in the description box below. By the way, folks, Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets, including Stellar. Anyways, let's see what's happening with SHX, its official handles. Can we get any good information in real time? So let's begin with the official X handle of Stronghold. Let's see if anything is new. Okay, so this is November 18th. You can make the rules for SHX. Cast your vote between December 16th to 21 to adopt the foundation governance rules for SHX. So yet another government vote, guys. The governance vote number 4 is coming. So we have to stay tuned for more details. Look at this. Should the following governance rules be adopted as the foundational rules for how SHX governance is conducted going forward? Stay tuned for more details. So we have to stay tuned because we still have time for the official voting dates from December 16 to 21. I will keep you guys updated. Anyways, what else is new? Let me just pause this video for a moment. Okay. March 20th, 2025, the Federal Reserve upgrade is moving to ISO 20022. Awesome. The Federal Reserve upgrade is moving to the new standard. Our latest Stronghold 101 episode breaks down what you need to know about ISO 20022 and how 20022 labs can get you best prepared for the transition. You can follow this video as well. You can watch this video as well. Let's just look at this, what Sean has to say over here.
The Federal Reserve will require that all transactions going through its FedWire fund service will have to comply with the ISO 20022 standard. So make sure you're ready. ISO 20022 opens great opportunities for faster, more efficient payments with smarter data-driven insights to fuel exponential growth and innovation. And remember, mark your calendars. FedWire's single-day implementation of ISO 20022 is March 10, 2025. The Federal Reserve will...
So folks, ISO 20022 indeed makes the payments more efficient. It makes the data smarter, better insights as well, and exponential growth, fueling exponential growth. So altogether, it is the new standard that these new financial organizations, institutions are tapping into. SHX and Stronghold are no different. And according to this post, look at this, March 20th, 2025, the Federal Reserve upgrade is moving as well to ISO 20022 standard. Awesome. If you are interested in newsletter of Stronghold, you can subscribe over here. The next Stronghold newsletter is on its way. Get insights on same day ACH, government vote number 4, and ISO 20022. Awesome. Okay, so yet another post from Sean Bennet over here, the CTO and co-founder. More expertise from Stronghold CTO and co-founder. Experiment, learn, prepare. We urge businesses to start exploring and experimenting, even if it is just for the sake of learning, to be better prepared for the future. This is indeed true. One has to take leaps and risks. If any business does not take risks and leaps, calculated risks, they cannot prosper. And projects like Stronghold are trying to do that. Projects like Stellar, as well as Ripple and all of these projects. They're trying to take that risky leap forward to bridge the legacy system with the blockchain world, with all the regulatory hurdles and blockades and whatnot. So we have to take those risks, and let's hope that these risks, in the long run, they become a success. Let's see. Anyways, let's see what the community is saying about SHX. Let's see if we can find any new post. Look at this. This is Pharaoh X33. Okay, an interesting name. SHX days below all-time high are numbered. Time is running out. It is likely weeks, a few months max at this point. You've been warned. So according to this, SHX will soon reach its all-time high. Will it? Will it not? Time will tell. But Pharaoh indeed is optimistic over here. Look at this. Moon Commander. He has covered SHX for a while now. He's truly a believer. Added more SHX today. My conservative 12 cents target will be hit. When Gary steps down as SEC chairman, we're gonna see ISO 20022 coins pump to astronomical heights due to the wave of FOMO money flooding in. Okay, awesome. Let's hope it happens. Look at this. He has withdrawn a few of his I presume that it is a few of his SHX holdings, and I bet it might be in a cold wallet or something. Let's see. Anyways, look at this. Stronghold is a stellar project, but SHX is creeping towards 5,000 holders on ETH rails. It wasn't long ago this number was close to 3,000, so increasing at a rapid pace. The holders are increasing as we speak. 4,798, so on its way towards that 5,000 milestone. SHX is going to blow people's socks off, according to Chart Nerd over here. It indeed broke through these crucial resistance levels over here. The 0.0055 was a crucial level, and it broke through it with ease, by the way. Look at this. Just tested it a bit over here and then flew away. But the overall market sentiment was also bullish at this time. XRP flying, XLM flying. So yeah, it was a bit. I wasn't surprised. We weren't surprised, basically. There are 5.4 million holders of XRP on XRPL. There are 8.1 million holders of XLM on Stellar.org network. There are only 38,392 holders of SHX. So I think the 5,000 was on Ethereum, I think. So collectively, it is 38,392 holders. The amount of SHX holders equates to a total of 0.07% of XRP holders or 0.04% of XLM holders. So this basically we can decode from this that we indeed are early. If SHX is going to do anything similar to what we have seen XLM do and XRP do over the course of years, due to the low market cap of SHX and it being an infant project, it also has potential to reach good heights in the future, but obviously not financial advice. Look at this. SHX should be joining the party very soon. Green Knuckles SHX the last 2 days, 116 trust lines created, 104 trust lines funded. Awesome. Look at this. This is the post that I wanted to show you, folks, from SHX Guru out here. It is all coming together. Look at this. We are pleased to welcome Stripe as a NACHA preferred partner. If you know that a Stronghold is also a NACHA preferred partner for ACH experience, Stripe is joining it. Stripe joins other organizations that advance the ACH network through demonstrated leadership and innovation. Look at this. Stripe. What is Stripe? Stripe is a global technology company that builds economic infrastructure for the internet. We've seen people connecting the dots of its relationship with Stronghold as well over the years, over the months. So yeah, look at this. NACHA welcomes Stripe as a preferred partner for ACH Experience, November 20th, 2024. So this is recent, latest basically. NACHA today announced Stripe as a preferred partner for ACH Experience. This partnership recognizes Stripe's commitment to providing seamless, efficient ACH payments and underscores its role in helping businesses reduce costs, grow revenue, and operate more effectively on a fully integrated platform. This is what the business wants, folks. They want low costs, they want to grow their revenue, obviously they want to operate more effectively, flexibly, and more efficiently, seamlessly, smoothly in a fully integrated platform where they have a one stop solution. So this is great. NACHA is pleased to welcome Stripe as our newest preferred partner, said Jane Larimer, NACHA President and CEO. NACHA's preferred partners are innovators, so this makes Stronghold an innovator. NACHA preferred partners. NACHA doesn't randomly select its partners, its preferred partners. They go through a rigorous research-based test phase before selecting it, I presume, basically. So which are focused on enhancing the ACH payment experience for businesses and their customers alike. They are providing real-world solutions, real-time solutions, and they're not just randomly being selected, by the way. So from this, we can decipher easily from this. Stripe's ACH solutions are designed to maximize payment conversions while keeping costs low, making it easier for businesses of all size to leverage ACH payments, be it small businesses, medium businesses, or large size businesses. They can leverage ACH payments efficiently and with low cost. Further, John Devitt Grosser, the Chief Business Officer at Stripe, has said that Stripe's focus is to help businesses grow faster. Millions of businesses use ACH on Stripe to instantly confirm payments, speed up settlement, and offer their customers a seamless checkout experience. So this is what prospects like Stripe and Stronghold want to provide. They want to provide settlements that are fast, payments that are easy, and customers that are satisfied with seamless experience, as well as businesses, merchants, everyone satisfied. Anyways, what do you guys think about Stronghold SHX and this new system that is getting closer to reality, and it seems that it is all coming together? Do you believe it? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.